Hi everybody, my name is Khánh Thy. I'm from class OD5 in CC Khánh, and today I will read you the book named Medicine Then and Now. We have two parts, and the first part is fighting cures. Since 1750, doctors have discovered cure for many diseases. They have also learned how to prevent some virus and bacteria from making people ill. Vaccines in the past, vaccines and medicines that teach a person's body how to stop a disease in the future. Smallpox is a disease that killed millions of people. In the past, doctors in Asia and Africa put smallpox scrub up a healthy person's nose to give them a weak smallpox disease. This worked as a vaccine to some people, but it killed others. In 1796, a British doctor called Edward Jenner made smallpox vaccines and cowpox, a disease that cows had. His vaccines stopped thousands of people dying from smallpox. Vaccines today, doctors and nurses inject vaccines. They use a needle to put the vaccines into a person's arm or other part of their body. The vaccine is a weak type of virus or bacteria. When a vaccine is inside the body starts to make antibodies to attack the vaccines. Antibodies are substances in the blood that can kill virus and bacteria. When the body has learned how to make the antibodies, it is ready to kill virus or bacteria when they get inside the body. This prevents the person getting that disease in the future. Bacteria and disease. In 1864, a French scientist called Louis Pasteur discovered that bacteria in the air could cause disease. Then he had an idea that you could prevent disease by stopping bacteria getting into the body. The British surgeon called Joseph Lister used Louis Pasteur's ideas to make the first antiseptics. Antiseptics were substances that could kill bacteria on tools used in surgery that could also kill bacteria that make wounds become infected. This stopped many people dying after their surgery. Penicillin. Penicillin was the world's first antibiotic. Antibiotics are drugs that can cure illness caused by bacteria. Before penicillin, people could die from a small wound in the skin if bacteria made the wound become infected. Alexander Fleming discovered penicillin in 1928, but two other scientists, Howard Florey and Ernst Change, tested the penicillin to find out if it was safe to use. They also made penicillin that they could inject. Penicillin helped thousands of wounded soldiers during World War II. Between 1939 and 1945, since that time, vaccine has saved the life of millions of people. The second part is medicine in the future. Living longer. Medicine has helped people to live longer. In the 19th, most people only lived to be about 45 years old. Today, people in many parts of the world live 30 years longer than they did in 19th. Some people say that by 2060, many people will live to be 100 years old. New medicines. In the future, scientists will discover new medicine. For example, some drugs companies are trying to grow plants with vaccines that people can eat. It's expensive to use vaccine that doctor and nurse have to inject. Vaccines that people can eat will be cheaper and much easier to use. For example, bananas that contain vaccine could prevent many children dying of disease that can be cured. Medicine for everyone. In some place in the world, even today, many people die from disease that can be cured. This is usually because they don't have enough money to buy the medicine that they need. For example, about 1 million people die from malaria every year. In 2009, one of the world's biggest drug companies started to sell cheap medicines to some countries. In the future, hopefully everyone will get the medicines that they need. This could happen if more drugs companies sell cheap medicine to poor people. New idea. Some hospitals use robot doctors with computer screen and cameras so that doctor and patient can talk to other doctors. At other hospitals, surgeons also use robots to help them to do operations. In the future, doctors will also use tiny robots called nanobots. Doctors will inject nanobots into the patient's blood so that nanobots can move around inside the patient's body and discover what is wrong. In the future, maybe robot surgeons will do operations. Now, scientists are also developing medicine to help people to grow new fingers and other body parts when they are wounded. There will be more surprises and new discoveries in medicine in the future. Staying healthy. The best way to stay well is to stay healthy. Try to have a healthy diet and drink 8 glasses of water every day, and more when it's hot. Keep clean, take a shower often, brush your teeth every day, and wash your hands after going to the toilet and before you eat. Most of us know that exercise helps us to stay healthy. But did you know that people do more exercise if they do a sport that they like or that they can do with friends? What do you do to stay healthy? Thank you for listening and goodbye.